course is you must understand your so-called your portfolio. Okay, so if you have 3 or 4 property now, then obviously you don't have to chase, right? But if you really start to have enough save enough, you start looking for the second one, then you have some time right now actually to ponder and look at it. And last time I used to say short to mid term you can make some money, but now property is mid to long. Long can be like 10 years. 10 years. So buying property is buy and hold. But if you buy wrongly, you got one big hole. Okay. so don't try to chase the trend. So some unique property you still can buy. Okay, some locations, some one-off things. So yeah, so you take the next 6 months and look at what the white paper say and what is the growth region, and the price is right, you can buy. If you have the money. And there are some more senior ones, they have tons of cash. What are you going to do? Yesterday I just met one old lady, she has 3 property, everyone is $50 square feet, and still looking. She said, I don't need loan. So this is the other extreme, right? So, but if you don't belong to that one, then you go. But in general, you know that in Asian market, property is one of the good portfolio for you to hold. Okay, for those who don't have and you want to build one, it's time for you to make money from the stock market, and you plow it into a property. That's another good way. Alright? Okay, thank you very much. Commercial property is a very large, actually, portfolio. In fact, it's just one small name, commercial. Within commercial, there are so many. In fact, it's much more complex than residential. So, anyway, like, briefly speaking, it's like for the industrial property player, just be very, very careful for industrial property now. Okay, commercial for offices and shop, the new one are going about 5,000-6,000 square feet at least. Some even 10,000. And from market feedback, some of the banks don't even support that loan. So don't chase the 10,000 square feet. Okay, so if you are a newbie, try not to listen to what people say and then you just follow. Those people who say very good yield for industrial and commercial one, those are the early entrants, where they buy industrial property at $180 per square foot, and they buy Adelphi at maybe $800 per square foot, and they say the yield is very good. Of course, it's good, $800, because now you're going is $3,000, right? So for commercial properties, it's important to look at yield. In fact, it's much more important to look at the yield rather than residential. Because if the yield doesn't yield to you, you must hold very long, and we got a hold. So for the newbie, try not to take wind and just follow. Understand the yield first.